This is a review of the Viva Naturals Elderberry. It contains vitamin C plus zinc. It's a 5-in-1 immune system support. 1,000 milligrams. It states of 400 milligrams of vitamin C and 10 milligrams of zinc. It is an antioxidant powerful formula that it contains, and it has 120 capsules, so it pretty much it'll last about 2 months, and you could option for one that has 60 of them, but I chose for 120 because it lasts longer. 120 is for about 2 months, and it's a dietary supplement. It helps and supports your immune system. And I've been using this for quite a while now, and I would definitely recommend this. The capsules are not like, they're pretty much very easy to swallow, and it goes in your throat, and it's not anything too big compared to other ones out there. But anyway, it does, it helps your immune system, and I would definitely recommend this. Like it states and mentions, 5-in-1 immune system support, 1,000 milligrams from elderberry, 400 milligrams of vitamin C, 10 milligrams of zinc. It contains all that stuff into one formula. It offers vitamin C plus zinc, so 2 things into one, and 300 milligrams of ginger, like it mentions there too. And right over here, like it says, vitamin D3, and it has that too. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product because I've been using this for quite a while now. And if you're looking for a like a supplement that helps your immune system, then I believe, I think that this is probably one of the best ones out there. And it really, it helps your immune system, and it offers vitamin C plus zinc. It offers a lot of stuff into one based formula. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Viva Naturals Elderberry Vitamin C plus Zinc. If you're wanting to help your immune system, then this is probably one of the best ones that you could get, and I would definitely recommend this.